Hello friends, we're here for day 11 of the 12 days of Christmas. Today you get just out of the shower wet hair day, so you never know what you're gonna get on Facebook Live for the 12 days of Christmas. We are gonna make this cute fun fold snowflake card. So last night we had our fun folds class online and we made this cute card, and the sailboat was moving across the card, and I thought, what if we could have snowflakes, because we love the look of moving snowflakes, and I just love all the different blues. I love mixing all of our blues with snowflake projects each year. So we are going to use this stamp set called Merry Snowflakes for our 11th day of Christmas. So let's just hop down and get started on that. All right, we have a couple of things going on today, and really you can just pick which one you like. But because of my card class last night, we have this special with the card class. So if you put in a $35 or more order, then you're going to get the card class for free. So the fun fold cards for free. If you put in a $50 order, you get 2 packages of the Be Dazzling paper. Okay, it's really cute. I collected some of those for my customers. If you already have all of that you want, then you can take advantage of this 5 red rhinestones that we had going earlier. So you choose what fun free things you want from me, and that is my Christmas gift to you. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna make this really cool fun fold card. So we're going to start with, this is actually the same base you would use if you were making a tall card. So it's 4 1/4 by 11, and then you're going to fold it in half. But then what you're going to do is you're going to score that at 2 3/4 here and fold that backwards. Okay, so when you're doing fun folds, you want to really get a good crease there, okay? And so that is your card base. If you're here, say hello. I would love to see who's here. All right, the colors we're using today are Pacific Point, Coastal Cabana, and Night of Navy. Hello, Barb. Good to see you. So let's go ahead and stamp our inside. Now, I love this because the snowflakes are going to sprinkle down across our card once you open. So it's like a surprise. They open it up and get a snowfall. Now, I noticed on my example card, if I had shifted this over just a hair, that G wouldn't show. So that's what's always fun about making a new card. Making a card the second time is we can make it perfect. So we're going to stick this Merry Everything literally right up into that corner. Okay, and I love that sentiment, Merry Everything. This could be a card for someone that is not a religious person, or it doesn't have to be specific to any kind of holiday. Okay. And we're going to go ahead and stamp some snowflakes. So I'm going to get a good solid snowflake up here. And then we're going to come across the fold. Hope I don't make a mess here. Sorry. The Wi-Fi. All right, this Coastal Cabana is going to go here. Then we're going to pull in another navy snowflake. So pretty. And then we're going to pop in another Pacific Point, and I'm going to stick it right, actually going to stick it right there to cover up my boo-boos that I made there. And then I'm going to pop in a Coastal Cabana here. And I'm going to go ahead and do, let's do one more Night of Navy kind of right off the edge there. So the snow is falling down the card. All right, so that's the inside of the card. Thank you, Barb, for coming. And you guys are doing such a great job sharing and liking my video. You know, at the end, tomorrow, we're going to give away a stamp set for all the likes and shares, so you definitely want to take advantage of that. All right. We have Coastal Cabana, just a piece. So in my Fun Fold class yesterday, we used designer paper here, but I wanted to make some designer paper with my Coastal Cabana cardstock. So I just have to find my ink pad. It's probably sitting right in front of my face. Here it is. All right, so this is this stamp in the stamp set is really cool. It's like a snowflake swoosh. And actually, now that I see it like that, I think I want it to go the other direction. So kind of like blowing in the wind. So we're going to do that. But we're going to stagger it. Okay, so we're going to do this one here. And then we're going to do this one here. And this one here. All right, and then we're going to do this one here again. And then we're going to do this one here. And here. So it gives us the illusion of movement, of course, which is what we want with our snowflakes. And then I am going to come in and fill in on these edges because we don't want them to look like, we don't want it to look like we stamped in the middle of stuff. We want to fill in our edges. Get one more there and one more down here. Now, how cool does that look? I love it. So we're making movement. Our snowflakes are fluttering, and that's fantastic. So you can see on my first card, I had it go up and down, but I do quite like the going across because we're showing you how things are going across the card. All right, now we're going to get a little piece of basic white. And we're going to use this cute sentiment from the set. I just have to find it. I've covered it. Oh, here it is. Covered it up. We're going to stamp it in navy. And it says, I'll show you what it says here in a second. May the happiness of family, the joys of friendship, and the warmth of love surround you this season. So how about that? It's fantastic. And we're going to come in and we're going to pop in some Coastal Cabana snowflakes. We're going to pop in a Night of Navy one here. And we're going to pop in a Pacific Point snowflake right here. And how about we give it one more here. And then here. And then here. You just fill it in as much as you want, okay? So now we're going to assemble. And this is easy, okay? A Fun Fold doesn't have to be hard. It can be super simple, which is what we're doing here. So we're going to come in and we're going to stick this down like so. Now this stamp set is in the holiday catalog. It is a Christmas set, or, you know, holiday set, not necessarily Christmas. And it is on the last chance list. So you definitely want to put it in your cart. I looked it up this morning. It is not retired. It's not discontinued yet. Some of our stamp sets have discontinued. So luckily this one is not. So get that in your cart. Don't miss it before it will retire on January the 3rd forever. Okay, now one exciting thing is that we've got these blue gems that we have in the annual catalog, and they're perfect for our blue cards. So I'm going to put some of the smaller ones on my smaller snowflakes, and then I'm going to pop one of the bigger ones on my bigger snowflake. That's easier to pick up with my hand. Okay, so we have gorgeous blue sparkle going on here, and I just hopped on over to my ribbon drawer when I was designing this card and found the most gorgeous pool party ribbon. So don't forget, our annual catalog still has gorgeous ribbons, okay? And you can almost always find the perfect ribbon for your project. Just pop in there and take a look. This is pool party organza ribbon. It is so luxurious and is perfect for this delicate snow card. I think you'll agree. Isn't that fantastic? Love it. I know just who I'm sending these cards to, and I hope you enjoyed that fantastic snow card. Thank you, Barb. I appreciate it. So let's remember our important topics for the 12 days of Christmas. The last chance list, you should look through there and make sure you've got everything you need. You need to fill out the door prize form each day for a prize. I've got yesterday and today's prize to hand out, so that will be from the day prior and the day prior, if that makes any sense. If you would like to take advantage of the ordering special and get the Fun Folds Cards class for free, then your order of $35 or more will earn that. And then if you put in an order of $50, then you'll get the 2 packs of the Be Dazzling paper. If you don't want the Be Dazzling paper, of course you can get the red rhinestones. Make sure I sent out 10 PDFs today with all of the videos that we've done so far, okay, to my email subscribers. So you want to be on my email list. Make sure and subscribe to my email. If you're watching on Facebook, I'll be doing one more day of Christmas tomorrow at noon. And if you're watching on YouTube, make sure and subscribe for my weekly videos that I do each week. I do Facebook Live on Wednesdays and upload that video after. So I'd love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we will see you tomorrow at noon. Bye-bye. Oh, the channel is called Paper Made Prettier, and the link to join it is right up there. Bye.